What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. So I'm interested to see how the prime does with rum. So think of it as a Coke and rum, but this time substituted with a prime. So I'm using a dark rum because I think it'll go better with the flavour of the prime because it's a tropical drink, this one, the red one. So we're going to serve it over the ice, so it's going to be over the rocks, this one. So I've preferred putting the ice first. So the first to go in will be 60ml, 2 ounces of Havana Club. What we're doing is just pouring the prime over it. So the guess on it will be about 4 ounces, 120ml of prime. So now give it a little stir, just to stir it in and give it a little bit of that classy touch, just to mix in the prime with the rum. You'll get more flavour out of it. There it is, prime and rum. How does it taste? Ooh, interesting taste. But it works, it's quite nice actually. I thought it would work better, the dark rum, because it has more of a spicy flavour with a dark rum. But that is not bad, that is not bad at all. I'll probably give that a 7 out of 10, it's certainly drinkable.
Decent.
Pretty decent that. Well, that, guys, is the prime and rum. Fairly simple to make, quick to make, and it's really simple. There you go. So if you've got a spare bottle of rum, you can use it with prime. I've not tried the vodka with it, so that would be an interesting one. Especially with XIX vodka.
That'd be a good video.
I think it would.
A non-alcoholic.
Yeah, and a mocktail.
Mocktail would be good. We tried the slush.
Tried the slush, didn't work.
Didn't work, unfortunately, but...
We won't mention it, didn't work.
Never mind.
You live and live. But I've been MixedSid, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help the channel grow. So I really do appreciate all the support throughout 2022. As we're approaching on 2K, so we're now on 1.7K. But I will see you guys for the prime and XIX vodka. Does that work? So that'll be my next video, and I will see you then. Have a nice day. Cheers. Set my boss, man.
Well, you're at my house. Not on the bar.
There we go. Man, I don't have the easiest glass to mix it because it's water.
Oh my god, MixedSid. Messy MixedSid.